Ang nag-iisang branch na naman mula dito sa Masangkay, Dim Cafe. What's pleasing is yung ambience. Mapa estudyante in the afternoon, workers in the night can come over visit this place. Cause what's popping nga naman sa kanilang menu, the main, snacks, and drinks. As in kompleto ang cravings yo. Sa nakikita nyo naman, Western and Asian fusion. Kain muna tayo ng mains nila since their highlights is Hong Kong baked rice for 320 pesos kasi dalawang klase ang ulam na meron yun dyan. Rice is like egg fried rice. Like it's subtle, not salty. Even yung ulam nila, the fish and the cream blends well, and their tomato sauce is not as sour as other recipe. Nasa iba ganun pero okay siya. Comforting. Pork chop is well cooked, 8 out of 10 kasi this deserves more serving. At yan na, ang shrimp alige pasta. After all, kailangan talaga ibigay ang honest review. But this lacks something like how pasta was made every Italian cuisine or kahit masasabi mo pa siya na Filipino pasta. Yung noodles firm naman and the shrimp is chunky pero yung salsa, expect namin na very shrimpy taste siya because of the alige. But this pasta should give much of the spices and herbs. Kulang lang talaga sa flavor and I know this pasta can prove something more if they elevate the taste. Pero take note, these changes of its quality should be also applied to most of the restaurants. Kasi kahit palagi sa bestseller na lang tayo nag-maintain ng quality, meron pa rin sariling preference ng tao na mas gusto nila yung ganitong klaseng pagkain kahit di bestseller because it's their favorite. So this restaurant is actually just a startup since ito lang ang branch niya and there are a lot of improvements to witness ahead since every small business should be open for adjustments. If a restaurant is willing to accept dissatisfaction, this will expand more. Kasi sa dami ba naman ng kanilang offers, meron mga dishes to be developed. So babalikan natin to since focus talaga nila is their drinks. So follow for part 2.